Hi, this is Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. We've got a brand new 2022 Harris 230 Sunliner Sport that just came in. Fantastic stitching in the seats and the upholstery. Large rear Sunliner lounge. This has got the 200 horsepower Mercury on the back. Stainless steel fence rail. The Sport comes with the tower. This has got the integrated cell phone charger. In-floor ski locker. Plenty of cup holders with wireless charging ports. You want to come by and take a look at the 230 Sunliner Sport? I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168.